Hello, everyone. I want to say a big shout out to Miss Bola Titon, aka Miss Pepe, the brain and the mastermind behind Fearless Community. Wow, that community that has always been the one pushing me out of my comfort zone. I started my business, and honestly, I was procrastination was my watchword then. But I joined this fearless community, and with the help of Miss Bola Titon, which I found a sister in, she has always been there helping me, pushing me through. Most times when I feel down, when I feel like I cannot continue, I will just, hey, it's not working. She will call me, Gloria, move up. Baridora, don't stop, don't relent. So if you have just started up a business and you don't know, you're feeling weak, you're feeling the business is not coming forth, I implore you today to join the Fearless community, and where you will find a family there, because everybody there will be there to move you, will be there to walk at the same pace with you. They will all be there to help you rise and fly, and you will find out that you do well. Look at me. I was someone that was scared of the camera, but look at me. I'm in front of the camera right now talking to you. So join the Fearless community today, and I believe that once you join the community, you are going to get a good mentor that will take you. Thank you very much. Bye.